Hey guys, Crypto Trends here. This is the one-day candle report on Heikin-Ashi method that I use on the main 21 assets or pairs listed on ApeX Pro, which is derivatives DEX. No KYC. Let's get into it. I just did a long video. I had some dramas. I had a full hard drive, so and it was getting slower and slower and slower as the further I went through. Anyway, I'm still back. Thanks for joining, and I'll make this a really quick video. It'll be done in two parts. Basically, the first part will be us looking at just change back. ApeX Pro, which has got 21 assets, basically all your major sort of assets. But there are a few, like this got Bitcoin, Ethereum, all versus USD. This is basically traded with USDC on this exchange, on this DEX. And for ApeX, this is ApeX Pro, ApeX Omni. ApeX Omni is in beta. It's a newer exchange. It has a new spot market they've created, and there's a lot of liquidity there if you are trading spot on any of these, like especially meme coins and stuff like that. As you can see here, if I just drop this down, they have meme coins, the layer 1, layer 2s, DeFi, AI theme, gaming, and also infra, which is short for infrastructure coins. So they're no joke. Obviously, ApeX Pro and ApeX Omni is done by Bybit, so they're the decentralized DEX version derivatives market and spot market. So they actually do have their own liquidity there, which is very, very nice. The execution on the perps is great, and that's why I'm using it. Or the only one that is using it. What the hell is coming up here? I must have hit a stop loss somewhere. Anyway, I've already done a long ass video, and I'm not doing one again. I'm just going to go rip through all the positions that I've got and stop loss levels in case you're interested, and to update your positions. So anywhere during this video, it is a bit longer. It's done in two parts. The first part is the first 21 assets on ApeX Pro. The second half of and you can bounce from there if that's all you're using, or if you're a crazy person like me and you want to you're doing a secondary account with ApeX Omni with a further 48 asset pairs. And it does pick up a few extra pairs that aren't on Pro. Some major ones like Near Protocol, and there are a few big ones like that. So a lot of the meme coins and stuff like that. So that one's more experimental because I haven't tried. I mean, the first 21 on ApeX Pro is working great. I haven't tried. It's like day 2 or something like that, and we're at a small loss, probably about a 5-10% loss. So anyway, so I'll get into the first part, get this out of the way for the housekeeping, and I'm not going to go through all of the dominances. So BTC, I can't tell you whether I've moved my stop loss, but I can show you on screen as I go through each of them exactly where the stop loss level is. What you're looking there is for the blue line. As I go through, Bitcoin's at $94,028. Ethereum is stop loss is we're long. The stop loss level is $3,227.21. AVAX is, I was going to say long, but we've already been stopped out. If you haven't jumped into AVAX, don't do it straight away. I'll probably wait for this candle to resolve. Tomorrow afternoon, this evening my time here, tomorrow afternoon I'll come out, and if this is still looking like this, I'll probably make that a new short. So just stay out of AVAX if you're not already in it. If you are, the stop loss did get triggered. 1,000 Pepe, something to stay out of. ARB Arbitrum, that has been stopped out since we actually moved up our stop loss at about 8 hours ago my time, the end of the trading day. Should have been stopped out. Now, again, if you're following along with the rhythm of what I'm doing, you should have probably grabbed that yourself. Again, this is a tutorial and educational as much as it is me actually just showing you. I had a bit of technical difficulty earlier on today, and then I had to make another commitment that I'd made prior, so it took me away. And then there was a road accident that I actually had to jump out and literally help a lady get out of her car, then roll onto her side. and I had to smash a windscreen in. But yeah, anyway, I've got a few few shards of glass in my hand as I'm doing this, and I did about an hour and a half long video because my video got slower and slower and slower as I went through all these assets. Anyway, I found out I had to wipe my hard drive clean to not wipe it clean, like clean it out, sort of, so to make some memory. Now it's going nice and fast. So let me match it its pace and go fast as well. So XRP is $3.05. Atom is should be stopped out, so don't get in that if you're not already in it. The stop loss was down there, I can tell you, and it was moved up there 8 hours ago, and like literally you should be stopped out of it. So if you're not in it, I'll just do a bit of TA with you now. Yeah, don't get in because it's got a big wick up there. It's got a big fat red candle, so it's going to go down further. So if you're not in it, don't get in it. If you are in it, get out of it. I'll take that green mark away from it. Doesn't deserve it. Dogecoin. Tomorrow we'll probably don't move your stop as far as today, but tomorrow we're going to probably see how this resolves, and if that's still looking like that, we're going to move our stop from here all the way up to there to lock in our profits. Optimism. We moved our stop loss from here to here. Pretty easy to see that I've done that, and then obviously we haven't been knocked out, so it's a current long on optimism, and obviously you can see with the blue. Every chart's got a blue stop loss level and a number on the side there, so you can punch it in if you want to pause. Solana's been smashing, absolutely smashing it. There's no hesitation or price indecision below these wicks, so there's no need to move our stop loss any closer. We're holding from back here, back here actually, sorry. So we're doing very, very well with that. In fact, I took some profit on Solana because I had like over $10, and I think I put $2 in it. So Solana, BNB is, we moved the stop loss from here to here, so we've trailed our stop up, as you would say. $694.70 is the new stop on the long. We're long on Litecoin. We're loving Litecoin. We're not moving our stop loss up at all. We'll wait till that red candle finishes. If it finishes with that wick down there, then we'll move it up there. After the candle close tomorrow, the daily candle. So Aptos, we're still in a long. We have moved it from here up to there. Just note the new stop loss level is $9.06. Lido, it's like, and we've actually converted, I think, to. I mean, looking at that, we should absolutely be a short. So this one, Lido, we did get sort of smashed out of that position. So let's say that's the daily close 8 hours ago. So I'm coming in here and I'm seeing this. All right, I don't see that. Right, if you can just imagine. So I come up and I put my stop loss there at the bottom of that wick, and then since then it's come through and smashed through it. So if you look at where, and it's got a wick up the top. This is normal candles now, so it's reverse world. So that means wick up the top, big body, continuation of a massive wick, massive body, red body means we're probably going lower. So it's not really guesswork to know that that stop loss should be respected. So if you're not in Lido, get out of it. If you are in Lido, get out of it. I wouldn't enter, and if I did enter, I'll probably go short from here. And probably by tomorrow afternoon, I'll be back at the start of the trading day, and I'll probably be telling you to go short. So you can do it. You can do it now. You can wait till the end. Up to you. But if you're not in it, stay at it. If you're in it, get out of it. Blur is still a current. Oh my god, what is this? I've done some funny things with mine because I found a few errors in what I was doing. So if anything doesn't make sense, don't worry, after a while it'll show up. I've been making a lot of errors with like stop loss levels and stuff like that, just going through a bit too quickly. There's a lot of assets to cover. So anyway, so I've got to stop. What? I've got to. This must be recent, this activity. Oh yeah, it is. So it's smashed through our stop, right? So, alright, go backtracking, go back in time. Okay, we were here, or here. Oh, hang on, go to Hakanashi first. We were here, we moved our stop loss to here. Come here. Ah yes, I do remember this. And then it was up here when I looked at it about an hour ago when I was doing my last video that didn't work and accidentally deleted. So I moved it and it was like here or something. Basically, long story short, it's smashed through it. So Blur, get out of it. and we'll see how it looks tomorrow. We'll probably short it. So you're actually getting probably better report in hindsight, considering that the market's gone down further. So Bitcoin Cash, we've been stopped out, and we moved our stop loss up here earlier and then got stopped out later. So if you're not out of it, let's see where the stop was. Just get out now, because that's a continuation and another big fat body candle going down. WorldCoin, we're actually still in. The stop loss, new stop loss level is $2.09. Link, we are staying in, leaving our stop loss down here at $19.24. Our long Toncoin with shorts. We're actually short Toncoin. Don't worry if you can't pick this up today, because it's already sort of taken off. Yeah, it's already taken off. So don't stress. There's probably something I've done late that I've gotten into this, because I would have been long here, would have got it smashed out right there, and then basically come in and put a short on here. So yeah. If you were long here and been knocked out, it's already gone away from us. So just probably wait for it to pull back a bit. Maybe by tomorrow a little bit we'll pull back. I put a current short on, but I caught it back up here. It's already run away from us a little bit. DYDX is a current long, and then it's been stopped out. So if you're not in it, don't get it. If you are in it, just it would have stopped out or at the stop loss level around the start of the trading day. If you didn't get that, then get out of it now. Just manually close it. TR is Celestia. Of course it is. From here to here, we moved our stop loss and we've been smashed out. So we're smashed out after the close or beginning of the new trading day. Again, same deal. If you are in it, get out of it. If you weren't in it, don't get in it. And then obviously wait till the new trading day starts tomorrow. I'll do a blog or vlog, as they say on time, and I'll tell you probably at this stage in time I'll probably be going short. So I've got that's not actually filled in because of that reason. So now that's it for you guys. Top 21. That is the top 21 on ApeX Pro. So that's basically for the ApeX Pro exchange, covering their top 21 assets basically. So that's all updated. A lot of the stuff has rolled over. The market's rolled over, as you can see. Like, have a look at this. 7% down. Wow. 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. The market's just absolutely smashing everyone around. We need the institutional money in, they said. It's just a joke. Most of the stuff I just went through is already like we're out of it. It's put a drain. It hasn't much of a drain because we started at 405, but well, it's a good testament to the fact that we've gotten in, and we're staying with the trend as much as we can. We're not holding out for any positions that are not. If they've gone down too far, we're getting out of them. Really interesting market because there's a lot of volatility. So again, in the one day, we're going to experience it firsthand. We're going to front row seat. So if you can't, if this is not for you, then just get out of it and just do the weekly. Or you can follow this and just learn it, and then just gravitate over to just doing it on a weekly chart or 7-day chart. And it's the same thing, just much not less breakneck speed. But again, I want to catch these retraces and make some money, and then transfer it out to my weekly account, where I'm doing it more slowly and calmly, and have a much more money there and a smaller amount of money here. Again, you want to get your chart time up to get your experience. Like I'm doing it as well because this is a new exchange to me. So ApeX Pro. We've never had access to something non-KYC that is a DEX, and being a derivative DEX as well. It's got its price feeds it works on, and then basically it's done by Bybit, one of the largest players in the game. So yeah, it works flawlessly so far. I haven't had any dramas, but I am getting to learn some of the nuances. You don't want to sort of like use up all the equity. That's the available margin in your account. You want to have quite a bit in there. And I worked it out too. Ideally, if you want to have absolutely a no-brainer experience, 33 times. It's like $33 times. So let's say yeah, so it's 21 times 33. So this account doesn't have, what does it? Yeah, so the minimum position you can have on ETH is $33. So just keep that in mind. I'm just go 1% on all these trades. Don't go high, just go 1%. 1% on Ethereum is actually $33. So if you go and do an Ethereum position like here, see $32. Most of the other positions I've got much less anyway. Some of them are $5. You know, just doing that. Just do the 1%. Remember, just 1%. You want to work on a 1%. As your account positions grow, and 1% of your position here is actually more than $33, you'll find it'll even out down here as far as what you're risking on each trade, and be a bit more consistent. Anyway, that's it for today's video for the top 21 for ApeX Pro. There is a link down the bottom. Make sure to join the subscriber chat. If you're sticking around to find out what I'm doing over on Omni, and you're a sucker for punishment, I'm going to go through those charts with you now, in case you're over there wanting to trade those 48 assets. Something I've started yesterday. I did have some computer, as I said, I did have some computer problems, massive computer problems. I did an hour-and-a-half video, and I just lost it because ran out of room on my hard drive, and I figured out what the reason my video and everything was going slow and taking forever was because my hard drive was full because of the previous videos I'd been filling up into there. I found an extra file where it was like double saving it. So I thought I was making room and deleting my videos as I go, and no, it wasn't. So I found a file that was full of all the videos I've been doing. Anyway, so now it's all free, so I can get through the secondary exchange a lot quicker. So which is ApeX Omni. Now it is in beta, but I've been finding that there's no dramas. Like I've had no dramas with it. The only drama I found was when if you don't have enough available margin. This is why I'm saying make every trade 1%. Don't go higher. You want some available margin here. You don't want to go too high, because like earlier I made a video where I was saying, yeah, top up your positions if you don't have enough in there. It's like no, don't do that. Just top up your balance and keep on going 1%. If you want a larger position, top up more on your balance. That's what I would do. Otherwise, what happens is market goes up, market goes down. But you'll probably find you'll come up to placing a trade on a certain asset as a minimum required, and then you know it might not be $6, it might be $20 or $30. So yeah, as I said before. Anyway, getting into it, let's go through the ApeX Omni perpetual DEX exchange, and I'll just switch over to those charts, and we'll go through one at a time. Just let you know where we're sitting. Anywhere along here, if you want to skip ahead, you can in the video, because it can take some time. Unless you're interested in a specific one here or going one by one with me, that's great, and I'll flash them all on screen so you can actually pause the video, and I'll try and get through these as quickly as I can. And then, but there is 48 assets, so just be aware. Alright, so skip ahead to what you need to do, but you need to sort of see what I've done already, because I've already run through all these. Alright, so okay, ENS is a current long at $33.05. Now look for the orange here for the actual position. Stop loss, I should say. NOT is a current short, and the stop loss is 0.006550. IOU is a current long, and the stop loss is $3.21.53. ZK is a current short, and again, some of these I've done because I've come in late in the day, because I got problems before and I got held up. And I've had some of them are giving me a newer perspective, like this one particular here. We probably would have got stopped out on that candle, and I've come in and I've actually made it a short because I've got a red candle and also an indicator that had come up by the time this evening in my time where I've done this. Anyway, so it's a short on ZK. Stop loss level is 19.34 cents. It's a long on Bonk. Leave the stop loss levels where it previously was. What's going on there? Like the stop loss level is $1.73. If you go to put it in, it's already past it or gone down. It is a long. look, I will get out of that. Just get out of it. Don't get into it, or get out of it if you are in it. Because I think actually the stop loss was here, so it would have automatically stopped you out from the last video if that is the case. So that should be automatic. So we have no position there, including me. Mine would have stopped out from what I just did an hour ago, hour and a half ago. Audi is a new short. The short and the stop loss level is $27.71, always in the orange as you look through each chart. Ondo, we don't have a position. I don't recommend one. We've been stopped out for our long. I want to see how the next candle resolves, and if it resolves to the positive side, then I would, I'm happy to go down here, make it long from there. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier, because I probably could have done this now. Let's have a look. I want to have a look at Ondo. I was getting frustrated with the last video because I was really having technical problems. So just pulling my hair out. Much calmer now. So let's have a look. Ondo, we probably can do a long. I think this one here was like turning massively red or something. Oh yeah, it was. Yeah, the actual. It was actually a red. Yeah, I see. But on Heikin-Ashi it's green. Gotcha. Alright, yeah, well, I'm happy to make that a long, and I got a buy signal just before it as well. And look, it's sort of like trending up. Massive volatility on that last close candle, but anyway. $1.17 is the stop loss. I'm going to just copy that. Bring that over to Ondo. We're going to come over to here. Make sure every single time you're on 1x leverage, it'll default back to 15 or 20 or 25% leverage sometimes. You've got to check it every time. I made the mistake. I'll be honest, I made the mistake, and it's easy to do. It's easy to make small errors, and you just want to try and be error free if you can. Set aside all distractions and stuff like that when you're doing these updates. I can sort of say that I've sort of stuffed up because I'm thinking about 10 things at once, because I'm trying to make sure I'm not leading you into making losses, and I'm thinking through the strategy properly. 100%, and then we're going to go long. Okay, so we've got a long position there. I'll mark that long. See, there's one I've done before, and I should have been long. So what I did was I looked at the standard candles, which was red, compared to Heikin-Ashi, which I'm supposed to go by, which is green. So they paid me a false red. Pendle is stop loss has already been smashed, so that's only from like an hour ago. Again, same thing. We've come down through it. If you're not in it, don't get in it. If you are in it, get out of it. You probably would have moved to stop from here to here, absent my a video from me earlier on today, just by following the process when the new day started. But if you didn't, don't get into it now. Just stay out of it. Actually, what I'll do tomorrow is, if that's still a red candle and we get a next one and it stays like that, I'll make that a new short. And so Pendle, we should be out of it or stopped out of it. ZRO is a current long that I got stopped out of, because I gave that a second chance because I was really close, I remember. So out of it. If you're not in it, don't get in it. If you're in it, get out of it. And if you are following the stop loss from here, you should have, like earlier on today, you would have got locked out. If you're following the old one where it was set up, this old one where it was set up to, you still would have got stopped out. And if you're still following this one down here, you are 1, 2, 3 days behind. So you got to do this daily if you're doing it. Otherwise, go to the weekly edition that I do. If you want to take 5 minutes a week to do that, then do that. So that's ZRO. So get out of it if you're in it. Again, tomorrow I might have a new short order on that. I just want to see how the candle closes. Near protocol is it was a long, and then we're going to wait and see how this candle resolves. Very likely, if it's sort of going to finish sort of like that, just move to the next candle along, we'll probably move our short up to that level. So that's the volatility to the downside. We just match it and then just cover this ground here so we don't give it back to the market. So currently still long. ADA is still currently long. We moved our stop loss from here to there, and then we've just been closed out of it. So that is actually, you would have automatically closed out. Again, if you aren't already in, don't get in now. If you were already in at the beginning of the trading day, you would have moved your stop loss from here to here, and you would have got stopped out. If you didn't move it sort of 8 hours ago when you should have, then this should have knocked you out in technical speak. Just get out, get out of it. That's what I would do now if you hadn't already been stopped out, and placed your stop loss there. Sui is a long. So looking good. Yeah, so $4.61. I think it probably moved. It moved from up there down to there because of the volatility increased, but it remained a green candle. So we're going to stay in. I'm happy to do that. We would have actually, if being there, we would have been stopped out. So we would have re-entered. Let me just double check, just to be sure. I'll make sure that I did re-enter. I think I did because I did a lot in my last video. They all got wiped out. Yeah, I had them along. Here you go. Stop loss levels $4.60. I'm just double checking myself. $4.70. Yes, that's all right. Yeah, cool. So okay, Polygon. It is long, current long. We moved our stop from there to there. If you missed that, it has been stopped out. If you are in it, get out of it. If you want to get in it, don't get in it. And if you did move your stop, you would have been stopped out. So it's like it's no go. Wait till this candle closes tomorrow, and then we'll make a decision. Might be going short. We'll see. 1,000 SHIB, we're out of it. Stay out of it. If you had to move your stop where you should have moved your stop, it should have been stopped out anyway. Current candle, it looks absolutely woeful. Big wick above the top. This is normal candles, by the way, so that means that the wick behind is a trailing wick, and it means it's heading down. Heikin-Ashi means the opposite. So yeah, well, there you go. Heikin-Ashi, there's the opposite. That is going down. Really bad market. Get out of shit. 1,000 shit. STX again, another one you should get out of. If you're not in it, don't get in it. If you're in it, get out of it. Again, tomorrow we'll make a decision to see if we go short. Uni, again, same thing. If you're in it, get out of it. Exactly the same scenario. I won't keep on repeating myself. I'll just say that's not a short, but we're not in it, and I'll make a decision on a short tomorrow. Wow, this is a bad market. Jupiter, amazing. Just keep it going. The stop loss levels at $78 cents, rather, and it's going up. There's no hesitation in that, and it's just going up nice and strong. It's a nice long. Filecoin, we've been smashed out of that, with our stop loss has been hit, and probably furthermore more downside. So get out of that if you're in it. If it hasn't been stopped out automatically, Filecoin is no. And tomorrow we might even be going short. So just just get out of it. AR is we've been stopped out of that. So we've just been stopped. So if you're in it, get out of it. Don't just move your stop up. Just exit. Like AR, get out. We might be looking short on that again tomorrow because it's come down so much. ENA, we're still long on that, and the stop loss level is 84 cents, 84.82 cents. Staying long with our stop loss at levels. CRV curve, we've been stopped out of that. What do the candles look like? They look terrible. Probably more downside. Yeah, if you haven't been in that, you're not in that, don't get in it. If you were in it, get out of it. And I'll put that as a non-trade. Don't trade it short yet until we see how this candle resolves tomorrow. Maker is actually an active new short. The stop loss level is 1477, and I think I started that late this evening, so I'm a bit out of kilter for the time today. I've been all over the joint. So yeah, that's a current shorts. Stop loss level $1,477. Popcat is a long that got taken out. Wow, this big move down by the market. It's taking out all of our stops, but then again, we've got them, so it's going to actually protect us, hopefully. And yeah, so Popcat, we're out. Just like I'm going to uncheck that. It's not a current long. We'll look at it from maybe a short tomorrow. Okay, so TRX is a current long. There's no need to move the stop loss. There wasn't any need to move the stop loss at the beginning of the trading day today. There is a candle that's come down there. We'll see how that closes out tomorrow. But we're still actively long with TRX with the stop loss level at 22.05 cents. Injective. There's no reason to move the stop up until this candle closes, so we're just going to stay at $20.72, a current long. Arve is our entry is here. We moved our stop up here at the beginning of the trading day today. It's now since been closed out, so it's actually a non-active trade. Again, we'll see if this basically closes like this by this time tomorrow in a big fat red candle. The downside movement's been absolutely terrible again. Then we'll probably enter a new short. Wow, crazy. So that was Arve. Hamster. Hamster is a current active short. The stop loss level is 0.003440. We are actively short that. I think that was a late one this evening. And Eigenlayer is the same thing, exactly the same short scenario. $3.53 is the stop loss level. Say SEI USD has been stopped out. Again, don't get in it. If you are in it, get out of it. We should have moved your stop loss from here to here at the beginning of the trading day, which I'm usually around for, but I was not able to today. And so that's already been stopped out. So just get out of it. And again, same deal. We'll look at it for a short tomorrow. MEW, and we moved our stop from here to here, and then it's still going up. So that's looking good. This new stop loss level is in the orange there at 0.005982. Turbo, we got stopped out. So just again, don't get in. If you are in, get out. If you didn't move your stop loss from here to here today, you still would have got stopped out if you were back there. So probably had a better stop. So we're out of Turbo. We're not short yet, but we're just out of it. Wait until tomorrow for advice on that, or to look at it yourself. I should say. I'm trying to create self-sufficiency here. Ronin. That's an active short. So basically, the stop loss level is $1.85. Round off, and it is actually an active current short. Nero is an active current short. The stop loss level is 0.00888233, as it says here again in the orange. Nero Ethereum USD current short again. In the orange there, the stop loss level is 0.04363. 1 million MOG. Stop loss level, we moved it down a little bit closer, so trailing it at $2.38 round off. Hippo is a current long. We actually grabbed onto the bottom of a red candle. This is just something unusual, but I do have a set rule about it. The stop loss was down here. We opened it up to look at this, to see this candle here. So all we saw earlier on today was this. So based on that, what I do is I move my which is technically up. It was a little bit up, moving up my stop, like trailing it up to the most recent volatility that it's traced down to, and see how we go. And then we're still in the trade. So that's that technique. It looks like so bad, but it's technically a long. We're just giving it if a little bit less volatility to the downside on the next candle. That means it has the potential to come down and maybe go back up. So we're going to leave it as an active long. That's how the rules work around what I do. If you look at this, you can sort of see I'm probably going to be wrong. But this is in normal candles. It's got the wick at the top, which means it's going down. And this one's got the wick at the bottom, which means it's going down. So everything says it's going to go down to hit our stop, but we can only dream. Goat token. Let's go where I can actually back. Okay, this looks absolutely woeful. But it is no, it doesn't, because there's no active short. So the stop loss level is 0.4086, and it is a current short. Muden. These bloody names. Mudeng. Okay, that's been stopped out. So that was a current long. That's been stopped out. If you're not in it, don't get in it. If you're in it, get out of it, irrespective of when you're hearing this. Yes, it is not a current long. So I'm going to look at that tomorrow to see if it's a short. Peanut. This is a current short. Yeah, definitely a current short. Get out of it, and also not get out of it. I'm just used to saying get out of it. Peanut. You are staying in it for a short, and the stop loss level is 68.18 cents, as it says up there. Look at what I've done on the screen, not what I say. It's getting late here in the evening. HPOS 101. That is, it was a current long until a moment ago, and then the market just smashed through the stop loss. Again, if you're not in it, don't get in it. If you're in it, get out of it. If you didn't move your stop loss from here to here, like at the beginning of the trading day, because I wasn't here doing a video, then get out of it now. ACT. Now that's a current short. We are short that, and the stop loss level is 26 cents, 26.86 cents. H bar. We're trying to get through. Oh, where is it at the bottom? Yeah, we're 5 more to go. So H bar, we're a current long that's been knocked out. So if you're not in it, don't get in it. If you are in it, get out of it. If you did get in and move your stop loss from here to here at the start of the trading day, which you should have done based upon what I've been teaching you, you would have been stopped out. So you stopped out, get out, or don't get in. But that is not an active trade, and we'll see if that's a short tomorrow. That'd be a nice short. I'll be shorting other actually, it has been a good short. Zen is a current short. Stop loss level is $29.77, as it says in orange on the screen. UX Link is also a current short. $1.33 is the stop loss level. Make some money while the price goes down. Virtual is a current short. We're looking at $3.41 for the stop loss level for virtual. Oh, it's actually called virtuals, I think. AI16Z sounds like a Datsun. Currently a short. The stop loss level for this is $1.39.35. That's it. That's all. That's the whole of the secondary market on ApeX Omni, and ApeX Pro and ApeX Omni are the same exchange. If you're on Pro and you're usually used to using that, you just go here and you just click ApeX Omni, and it opens up, and ApeX Omni opens up, and it's literally as simple as that. You might have to connect your wallet. It'll prompt you. It'll ask you. It's so good. It'll even ask you. So let's have a look just as a final thing. The video is so long. All right. So we've got a lot of longs there that haven't closed out. We've got one short on ton. Do we? Short on ton. Why have we got a short on ton? I don't know where ton is. Isn't it? It's in the second list or first list? Well, I'll see which exchange it's on. Oh, it's on Pro, so it's in the first. I'm just going back and double checking. Yeah, it's definitely marked as red. Definitely down 4%, but everything's down. It's down the least. So let's look at normal candles. Oh wow. Let's go to. I've been doing this for a couple of hours now, so let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. All right. Well, so I'll probably put the short on around about here. So, wow, it's a bit of a drop. Let's see. 3%. Wow, that's big moves, man. Wow, that's big moves in the market. Jeez. Anyway, so yeah, the market is dumping its ass off. Sorry if you're losing money. We can't react too quickly. We're on a daily chart. If you want to panic and sell everything off or whatever, you can do that if you like. I'm not telling you what to do. And then I'm very surprised if anyone's listened to this long to this video anyway, but if you have, let me know. You deserve a prize. Anyway, I'm going to finish it off there. Make sure you do join the subscriber chat where you're viewing this. If you're viewing this on YouTube, like, subscribe and share this YouTube video, and do a comment so that there's not only bot comments in there. Tell me you love it, tell me you hate it, whatever, I don't care. Ask questions. If you want to know where the chat is, you can ask that in the chat in the comments below the YouTube, or just subscribe and join the actual subscriber chat in Substack. That's where all the action happens. Not really, but I can actually just get to message you, and you can message me in between our trades once a day. So it's a way you can open a discussion thread. Basically, it's a community chat. So get in there, and anything that's urgent, I can send you that. It's actually connected to your email, so it is actually an instant alert service as well, from my end anyway. And you can start your own conversations in there. So anyway, that's it. Again, I very much doubt anyone's listening to this late in the video, but if you are, congratulations, and I will see you in the next one, and it'll be a lot faster on the next one. Otherwise, I'll probably drop doing videos on Omni if I can't get a nice rhythm going. I'll be making too many mistakes and having technical problems. It's been a really struggle for today, but anyway, that's how I feel today. But tomorrow, let's see if I can redouble down and get some good rhythm going and be a little bit more error free, and I'll be a lot happier, I think. So we'll take it up from there. Thanks. Have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow.